p.m. At 7:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Morrison, moving east at 40 miles per hour with penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sterling, Rock Falls, Morrison, Linden, Coletta, Emerson, Union Grove, Round Grove, Gulf, Penrose, Hamilton Corners, Malvern, Como, White Pigeon, Morrison Rockwood State Park, Whiteside County Fairgrounds, Big Rock, Grimes Station, Douglas Park, and Unionville. This includes Interstate 88 between mile markers 25 and 39. This also includes Morrison Rockwood State Park. For your protection, you need to enter your room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.